Welcome friends. It is often asked in the visit held in hospitals. It is also a frequently asked question in an interview. What is expiry date? How expiry date is established for a drug? Can a drug be used after expiry date? What is the SOP to discard expired drugs? What is near expiry drugs? What is near expiry date? Are you linked with medical profession? Do you deal medicine in your workplace? If your answer is yes, then this video is going to be helpful for you. In this video, I will tell you all about expiry date and near expiry medicine. What is expiry date? An expiry date is the last day that a consumable product such as medicine will be at its best quality according to the manufacturer. The date indicates the period during which the product is guaranteed to be safe and effective based on the manufacturer's internal testing. Up to expiry date, the product retains its strength, quality, and purity when it is stored according to its label storage condition. It is also known as shelf life, which means the time up to which it retains its 90% of initial potency. Synonym of expiry date may be sell by date, a use by date, a best by date, expiry date, and do not use after date, which stamped on the package or the container. Can a drug be used after expiry date? After passing the date, the product may become unsafe and ineffective, and the manufacturer does not accept liability for the product beyond that date. What potential risks are associated with expired drugs? It's important to be aware that there are several potential harms that may occur from taking an expired medicine. After expiry date, a drug has degraded, it might not provide the patient with the intended benefit because it has a lower strength than intended. In addition, when a drug degrades, it may yield toxic compounds that could cause consumers to experience unintended side effects. Patients with serious and life threatening diseases may be particularly vulnerable to potential risks from drugs that have not been stored properly. There are a number of simple steps consumers can take to dispose of expired medications. How the concept of expiry date came? In the late 1970s, the US Food and Drug Administration mandated that all prescription and OTC medical products to be marketed with an expiry date. How to read the expiry date of a medicine? Expiry date for medicines are often marked EXP and may be printed on the label or may be stamped onto the packaging. For example, if the expiry date is March 2022, you should not take the medicine after 31st March 2022. That means March, the last date of the month of March, that is 31st March. How are expiry dates established? The expiry date of a drug is estimated using stability testing under GMP as determined by the Food and Drug Administration. The manufacturer must also conduct stability testing to establish an expiry date and storage conditions to meet FDA's regulation. FDA recommends that applicant and manufacturers follow the recommendations in internationally harmonized guidance documents on stability testing such as the International Council on Harmonization, that is ICH guideline, documented on Q1, A2F and Q5C. The FDA verifies the proposed expiry date as supported by appropriate studies conducted by the applicant. What do you mean by short expiry date medicine? Some medicines are given a short expiry date such as prepared antibiotic mixture and eye drop. In case of prepared antibiotic mixture, when the pharmacist adds water to powdered antibiotic, it changes the stability of the product, and the pharmacist will give it an expiry date of 1 to 2 weeks depending on the product. In case of eye drops, these are usually given an expiry date of 4 weeks after first opening the container, because your eyes are particularly sensitive to any bacteria that might get into the eye drops. How can you dispose the expired drugs? What is the standard operating procedure to discard expired drug? You should never throw unused or expired medicines in the rubbish bin or flush them down the toilet. If you have medicine that have passed the expiry date, take them to your pharmacist or store in charge. You can give them for disposal purpose. Make a separate register for expiry drugs with a note to mention the following: what is the name of the drug, what kind of formulation it is, then strength of the formulation, batch number and expiry date of the formulation, total quantity and weight of the formulation, and last, name of the department from which department it get expired. All the expired drugs to be stored in a separate room which is actually earmarked for the purpose, under lock and key, with a signboard mentioning the expired drugs not for use. The officer in charge of store will inform the DTC, that is Drug Technical Committee, about the details of expired drugs for their disposal. After approval from DTC, the OIC of store will inform medical superintendent about the list of expired drugs to be sent for disposal to biomedical waste in charge or return to the manufacturers. What do you mean by near expiry medicine? The near expiry medicine are those medicine which would expire within 3 months. The near expiry date is just 3 months before from the date of its expiry date. What is the importance of near expiry date? Near expiry date plays a vital role to minimize load of expiry medicine, as it play a great role as an indicator for stock alert for near expiry medicine. This is a useful indicator for drugs which are approaching their date of expiry, so that they can be replaced from the supplier or manufacturer or can be consumed within the hospital to avoid wastage. Thanks for watching. Please leave your valuable comment in comment box.